Hey everybody, it's Mike Meyers and I'm here to welcome you to the CompTIA A+ 901-902 series for the CompTIA A+ certification. Now, before we get into this great big cool fun series, first of all, I'd like to take a moment and talk about what is the CompTIA A+. The CompTIA A+ is an industry certification that's administered by an organization called the Computing Technology Industry Association, better known as CompTIA. Now, CompTIA is a vendor-neutral industry organization. They have all kinds of important jobs that the IT industry uses them for. They're the lobbying arm for the U.S. Congress, for example, and international as well. But for us, the important part is that CompTIA administers the CompTIA A+ certification. Now, the CompTIA A+ certification is actually two separate exams that you sit down and you take at a computer. It's called the 220901 and the 220902. There are no prerequisites for this. You can just walk in, you schedule an exam, and you can sit down and take them. Now, that's probably not a good idea because the CompTIA A+ certification is designed to test basically an entry-level technician with around 9 months of experience. Now, if you've got 9 months of experience, that's great, but some of the questions can be a little bit interesting, and that's where wonderful training materials like this video series, yay, come into play. So our job is to get you through the CompTIA A+. So fasten your seatbelts, buckle everything down, and get ready as we go through this amazing series so that you can pass the CompTIA A+ 220901 and 220902.